Then artwork. I will attach the artwork. When attach the artwork, in which path the artwork is available. So that the print attach ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆ path ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿ
Can you go a little deep on path so people should know what path is?
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ, ಇದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ವಾರ್ಡರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು PDF ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ PDF ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೇ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾತ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್, ಆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಅದೇ ಪಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಪಾತ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Whether it is a one-time model or repeat model. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ತಿಂಗಳು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮಾರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 1 year ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ, 12 months ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಡೈ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಿಂಗಳು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ತಗೊಂಡ ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 120 rupees ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂಗಳು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 12 months ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 12 months ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೈ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ 120 rupees ಡೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಗಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಡೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತೀರ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ಕಂಪನಿಯೇ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ಸ್?
Sir, now
which one is useful for us, past or future?
Yeah, past and future.
No, we are talking about a new order coming. We are talking about a new customer. Where is past new customer? We are only talking about what are we talking?
New product.
No, so then from where will I get the artwork path by doing the specification?
No, when you are giving an artwork,
that will come later on.
no. At the time, otherwise how will we get the specification details?
There is a possibility you can get afterwards also. So it's you're right, not a thing. Go as per this.
So artwork idella type.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ದರೇನು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So this column is for Indra.
Die cost on an average 8 to 10,000 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So assuming 10,000 carton monthly order ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ 1,20,000 carton ಗೆ ಅಮಾರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು carton ಗೆ 10 ಪೈಸಾ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. If it is 10,000 cartons ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So in order to give the right price, we need to have the repeat order with clarity. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Both are not good. Okay, so repeat order input periodical 4 months ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 months ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is also important. One more thing, ನೆನ್ನೆ ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ, 10 different products of the same size. We are going to use the same type. If there is no deviation between length, width and height, design A, design B, design C, design D, we will use the same type. In which case also you can give repeat order multiple products. So both cases, the idea is to reduce the cost of die so that we give a better
Better
price.
price to the customer.
Better price.
For clarity, I have not understood, what is it?
When you go down to production floor, from today, 2 hours you have to go because production has started. Ravindra, your job. You need to ask all the wrong questions to him. He will give you all the wrong questions. You ask. Please ensure that you train yourself. 1 month later, I will give a test for you.
Yes. Okay. So, quantity, price, Indra will fill up and take approval from the boss and release it to you. This is the column for Indra. Okay. This is the special instruction. Anything not covered in this specification. Suppose you want to tell this carton is going to US. Where are we capturing? Place of delivery is Bumsandra, but carton going to UK. That will be one special instruction. Customer is having problem with consistent color. We have to be careful. Okay. Customer feels the box strength is not okay. We have to, can we improve the box strength? Anything, any other information that you discuss with the customer, or customer gave you, which is not captured here, can be. Customer says payment terms is 15 days. But I hear from the market it is going to be only 60 days. They don't pay before 60 days. You have communicated what the customer said. You have communicated your intelligence you gather in the market. So anything and everything you can bring. The customer always like blue color. So don't do any mistake on blue color. This could be an instruction. In blue, red print ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. You won't mind. But our company logo ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 100% ಅದು exact match ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Is it not an input? Any such additional input regarding the product and the customer, which you feel will help us to improve the product and give an accurate quotation. Accurate. Those informations you can bring if you have. Otherwise, just to put a dash and name. No special instruction. Clear? Any doubts? Overall? The question paper just English.
ಸರ್ ಕೆಲವು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಡೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ?
ಕೆಲವು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಡೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Open, we are open. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Dye chart should be quoted separately. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಅಮಾರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರ, ನಾವು ಅಮಾರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ 1200 rupees ಡೈಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ 10,000 rupees ಡೈಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಈ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ 10,000 ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ₹1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನೋ ₹1, ₹100 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆವಾಗ ಡೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ₹2.60 ಅಂತ ಡೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಪ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೈಗೆ ಡೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈವನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಬಿಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್. ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್, ಜಾಗಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಡೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಕಳ್ಳ. ಸೊ ಜಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೈ ಚೆಕ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡೈ ಚೆಕ್ 0 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈ ಚೆಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ PDF ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಂದು PDF ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆವಾಗ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಬೇಕು.
ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್. ಈಗ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಇದಿರಬೇಕು, 100% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಸ ಆವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ PDF ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್? ಏನೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ
Sir, any special instructions for packing ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಏನು
Any special instruction for packing?
ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ವರ್ಗಾಡ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಇಲ್ಲ. At the time of estimation, will there be assuming?
we will go for a usual kind of packing.
No, assuming we go for a usual kind of packing. So what is when we talk about special instruction, it may pertain to transportation, it may pertain to multiple locations. As he said, US is one of the, you are supplying to Bhumisandra, but somewhere else it's going. Okay, so there is a weather condition that has to be handled. So there may be a number of reasons which we could protect if in case we understand. So then similarly, yeah, that's what. Yeah, any special instruction, it is better that you capture it. Even irrelevant information, customer would have given it to you. You feel it is not worth it for estimation, but if he has told you, I suggest you capture it because it is not what you think is useless may be useful. Okay, so the more you capture information from customer, it is going to be beneficial for the company.
All along we covered monographs. Okay. Now we are going to cover corrugated cartons. So
I'll just give a small prelude because it's corrugated carton. Why corrugated carton? See, we can print only up to a particular thickness of board, which is 450 GSM. Beyond that, the printing machine is not capable of printing. But the customer may, assuming a perfume bottle is there, or something which is breakable, or something on which they want to build a perception, or more number of products in one thing. All these are the reason why a customer wants a stronger box. For example, in Jockey, they want a stronger box because 3 garments or 6 garments go into one product box. If that much you put it in one small box, it will tear. Okay. So in that, there is a requirement for the print company to maintain the aesthetic appeal of the front box. At the same time, the box to be stronger. For example, perfume, for example, liquor, for anything which has got a breakable thing inside, or number of products which is voluminous in nature. Okay. Or for example, an FMCG good, or the consumer durable. Okay. On the mixie or a grinder or so many things. Okay. Aesthetic should be good for the product to sell well. At the same time, the box should be strong enough. Then the print is also important. The strength of the box is also important. Board thickness in one layer can give only this much strength. At that time, we add more layer through a corrugated process to ensure that the box is stronger. Now we have recently added this product. We never had as Kamshri only 1 year before. We added this as a product. So that is what now we are talking about when we talk about the quality of this. And this is, trust me, in corrugation people don't follow process. So this is a very big opportunity between monocotton and this. If you concentrate on this, the customer find value even more better, because corrugation don't care for quality. Okay, printers don't go for corrugation. So there are fewer printers who have corrugation and also care for the quality and deliver. So we come under a very, very unique category inside of which the customer will be very happy. Even customers like TTK and all that, the first tawa box and the second tawa box won't look the same. Okay, they are okay because they don't have the quality or the consistency of a printer available in a corrugator. So if TTK will pick up the order, then TTK will be very happy because they will see, when they see the cartons are stored, they will see the color consistency in the corrugation box or when the packed box is kept ready. So there will be a very large opportunity.
So you said maximum GSM is 450.
For corrugated, I mean, say for monocotton, the machine can go up to 1 mm thickness, inside of which bulk is there. We, for our own, for the protecting the machine, we don't go beyond 450 GSM to print.
And lower end,
Lower end is 180 GSM is what is the board starting. But technically, all mills put together 230 GSM is
standard.
where the box will look like a box, 210 or 230 GSM.
180 is minimum.
As Mr. Suresh said, the corrugated cotton comprises of multiple layers, which is called line. You have a 3-ply cotton, 5-ply cotton,
ಯಾರೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ವೇಣುಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ
7-ply cotton.
You see the precision of his preparation. For very few things he has gone around, down. He's virtually been prepared. Excellent. Yes, sir. Sorry.
No, shall cut it here.
Yeah.
3-ply, 5-ply, and 7-ply. First, we will take a composition of a 3-ply. 3-ply, as the name specifies, nothing but 3 layers. There is a top sheet which is called top liner. This is called corrugation or fruit. Then bottom liner. One, 2, and 3 all put together will decide the GSM of the box. Thickness of the box. So you can have 100 here, 200 here, 300 here. So the total thickness is 100 plus 200 plus 300, 600. Okay? By comparing all the 3 layers, we get a calculation. Okay. Here, what we do is top liner there is a specification, bottom liner there is a specification. Where we really boost the thickness of the cotton is in the fluting area. A flute is nothing but if you keep a sheet like this will be the length of the sheet. Whatever weight of the sheet will become. Suppose if the same sheet you do like this and keep it, the length of these 2 sheets are same. The final length is same. If you measure 50 centimeters, but actual paper used is same.
No.
Which is more? So the strength increases, thickness increases, GSM increases. Got it? This is called fruit. There are different types of fruits. Different types of fruits. Those fruits vary in pitch and height. What I call a pitch? The distance between this is called pitch. The height of the fluid, this is called height. This is the height, this is the pitch. For one type of fluid, we have this much of pitch and this much of height. The other fluid will have pitch will be different. Height will be different. Got it? So the pitch becomes smaller, height becomes smaller. Assuming this is the maximum highest. So you can have one more, which is still smaller, height is still smaller, and pitch is still smaller. So the pitch will be smaller than this. You have one more. So the height is still smaller, pitch is still closer. So depending on the pitch and the height, the corrugated boards are classified as A, B, C, E, F, N, M, F, and G. These are all the fluids. Every fluid will differ in the height of the fluid. This is the height. And the pitch. Pitch is between successive distance between successive fluids. Any doubt? Any clarity?
How this number is considered? A, B, C, how they, on what basis is given?
Come again?
Now this A fluid, B fluid, C fluid, on what basis? What is it?
If fluid has a pitch of x, height of y, it is called A.
That's standard in industry.
International.
Standards.
Correct?
I'll just show them. See, this could be A, this could be B, this could be C, this could be E, this could be F, this could be G. So this and this will keep varying between. So A is a particular specification which is beyond our scope of this discussion. G is the lowest limit.
Out of this, we have in-house facility to make E and G. This is E and this is G. This is G. So if you see it is closer, finer as compared to this. Both are not made to the same specification. Don't worry about the strength. Stay with only the fluid and height and pitch of it.
ಔಟರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಔಟರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಔಟರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ಫ್ಲೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
What is it? Sorry.
ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಜಿಗಿಂತ ಜಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇ ಇಂತ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತೀರಾ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಫಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಲೆಸರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. The remaining two layers remaining constant. Top and the bottom layer remaining the same. Fruit again ಜಾಸ್ತಿ material ಕೊಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ. This is a sea fruit example which we don't make. So with this you will be able to understand what is height and what is pitch.
That if that is C, B will be bigger than that, A will be even bigger than that. Positive. Captain.
Is there anything about horizontal and vertical? This is like this.
Yeah.
Is it rated?
Selecting of E fluid, G fluid, seeking an N fluid and N fluid, is there a reason market demand?
Sorry?
Seeking an N fluid and N fluid here, is there a specific reason based on market demand? Is there a near there? Like you can represent E fluid and G fluid. Was there a specific reason to skip that N fluid and F fluid?
We targeted jockey bulk boxes which are on E fluid. All the export government requirement at that time we focused only this when order information are on G fluid. Originally we ordered E and F. Subsequently was intervened and changed it to E and G. That was the logic behind. One is jockey, second is export governments.
Also, like see, G is minimum number of fruits. We are now actually trying to break 450 GSM and then give a 600 or a 700 for a smaller inner carton only, which need not be very strong, but it should be stronger than a single layer carton. So the least paper I supply, and see, if the fruit is like this, then the board is virtually sitting on more fruits. Then the printability of the surface and it will not, the board, the fruit will not be visible on top. See, this is A. If a board is coming there, it will, though it is sitting between this peak and this peak, the board that is sitting in between will have a very small, you can see the box and then see that the board has got small indentation. Okay.
This is E fluid. You can see the fluid. This is G fluid. It will be very difficult to see the fluid. See the printed. Are you able to see the lines?
This we can that
Difficult.
That's the idea. So it will be visible, Sunil. After all, if there is a fruit below, it will be visible. But on a natural glance, how many perfume bottles you have looked at it as a fluted carton? How many liquor bottles have you looked at it as a fluted carton? They work on the thickness of the board so that the fruit does not get visible outside. That is when the perception and strength of the board is both is possible.
Okay? Now, here distinction between the fruits we understood. Okay? Then, if you see, the corrugation is in the vertical direction. Open again. See, the fruit direction with reference to the carton orientation is vertical. Here, if you see, the fruit direction is horizontal. Okay? This is based on the customer specification.
Strength is in horizontal or horizontal?
Depends.
Some will depend on so many other parameters. Got it? So, where you need compression work, strength, compression resistance work, you have to go for vertical. Madan made an experiment. For the same customer, for the same size of the walls, he made a vertical flute and he made a horizontal flute. And found vertical flute compression strength is better, more compared to horizontal flute. Just all same. Same board, same mill, same GSM, same fluting, only the flute direction is different. After I told him vertical strength is more, he has cut the sample down and tested.
Good. That shows the inquisitiveness.
So, it is again a business. We don't have any role. However, depending on the direction of the flow, we may have to adjust some board parameters. So, it is very important that you specify the board direction, flow direction. They raw by drain direction that will be changed to flow direction. Vertical, horizontal. You have clarity on which is vertical, which is horizontal. Correct? See the garden, it is from top to bottom, it is vertical. Left to right is horizontal.
There is no cost implication.
Huh?
There is no cost implication. Horizontal or vertical.
Can't say. There are some while purchasing something there will be there. There will be, you take it, there will be cost implication for the estimation purpose.
Vertical will be expensive.
Hmm?
Vertical will be more expensive than horizontal, can I say that?
See, it depends on the stock availability, and all those things. If you have a different width, if you go for a bigger width, kg will come down. Kg comes down, total number of kilograms, then it falls with a different slab. All those nonsense criteria are there. So you consider that will be a difference. Otherwise, for estimation purpose, you do not have to. When choosing the board, we will choose the board accordingly.
Most of the domestic customers, they won't specify anything in the BF. They won't know or they won't specify also. So, what do we decide?
There is a method to calculate BF based on your input raw material BF. But unfortunately, as you said, no customers, including jockey, they don't know what is BF. They don't specify. You have to create awareness in the market.
It is actually an opportunity for Kamshri to value engineer a product which we did for Rajalakshmi Agarbatti. Very small first customer that we acquired in Agarbatti segment was Rajalakshmi, where the customer was buying it at a higher BF, higher GSM, E flute. We converted into G flute, lower BF, lower GSM, and gave him the cost benefit, while the customer was very happy with the strength of the box. Okay, so it's an opportunity because customer doesn't care. He wants the fluted cotton. Most of the time, the customer doesn't know. They are not big people. They don't know the specification of the costume product. So, because Kamshri is projecting ourselves to be more an engineering-oriented company which can deliver a better value-added services to the customer, if we value engineer a product, what is buying at 5 rupees, you can give it at 450. You might have saved another 30 paisa for yourself, given 50 paisa benefit to the customer also. So it's a win-win for them. They would have paid 50 paisa less, you would have got 30 paisa more. So that's an opportunity for us. Okay.
And so one more thing, like when the customer is giving a sample, we match the GSMs. We measure it the GSM here. Let us say 600 is something they say. So actually it comes to 620, 630, let us say. Maybe because of the lamination, or because of the gun, whatever, because of the climate situation we will do, we come to some slow. We come to some conclusion. This is what is the GSM required for the top liner, footer, and the bottom. And there could be some variation. We may take in the costing into higher side also. So how do we
Get a specification from the customer.
That is the best thing in the event.
Sir, you are right. We can only assume. After you paste and make the box, punch it, goes to the customer, approval, sample, all those things, it would have compressed. Then you try to remove, as you said, gum, fiber tab, on either sides. All these things will make the GSM unmeasurable. Correct? The varying thickness, you cannot measure the GSM. Pin by you cannot strip. The varying thickness from mill to mill, that will create a problem. So, whatever, if you give a sample, we can assume to a reasonable extent and give. There is no guarantee we are exactly matching what is made in the sample container.
And in the format itself, substrate paper GSM, what is this type? Will you specify the overall GSM or the top liner? Paper GSM, what is this type? These two are highlights on the top side I'm talking about. Substrate.
So once you design these two, then remaining is the top line. Correct? So since we cannot give anything, you give a 3 ply,
This is my
G float and total GSM.
530, 600, whatever is there, total GSM you give. Indra will separate it.
That's what I was saying. You have to specify the top layer GSM there. There will be a gap there actually. What actually is there, requirement is there, or what we are specifying.
What is it?
About 30 GSM there, to 50 GSM there will be a gap. Like if I specify only the top layer, if I specify the footer and
No, you will not be able to specify the top line without a specification. Will you?
Partha, he told very clearly, measure 3 ply and give
GSM.
total GSM. Your estimation purpose is over. Rest of the separation, estimation will do, understand and deliver the pricing. Is it clear? Everybody is clear? You don't have to go break your head to what should be the top layer, what should be the minimum layer, what should be the BF. None of this I am bringing you into response. If you are getting a sample from the customer, you give this much. If you are getting a specification from the customer, give this BF, give the ring crush test if possible, all the specification for a paper.
But especially when you are dealing with brands directly, not listening to type of thing. They will have the specification. They will be waiting for somebody to ask. If you ask, they will be waiting the brands.
Basic resources has got all details. Even whether you print with A or B or C, basic, like that, informed buyers are there who give the specification.
They even give delivery value for money. Basic resources. Only thing you have to upload basic resources. If you start with rough garments and sinews, you will not get the value. They don't just care. But see a single one made to be a, you will immediately get it. Within 24 hours, you will get it.
And that customer also started like any other customer. We have done for BR in the very beginning, where they didn't know the GSM, they didn't know the color, Pantone, nothing. So because they are keep on improving on the quality expected.